So behind me is a fleet of cars, and today's video is going to be something very simple to me and probably a lot of you watching, but to somebody new to the car community or new to maintaining their own car, be it because they're on a budget now and they can't pay somebody to do it, or other reasons. It's going to be checking your own oil. So I'm going to do it on several different model cars here, and you're going to see once you know how to check one car, you pretty much know how to check them all. Let's say some fancy car out there. And if you're watching this video and you're on a budget and you maintain your own car, you don't own that fancy car. You own just a basic drive everyday car, you know. Even if it's a Mercedes and you paid $60K for it, it's a basic everyday car. It ain't fancy. You know, fancy would be it orders your oil for you and sets you up an appointment to take it into the garage. You know, kind of like some of them cars do. Now, simple is better. It's just a basic car. You know, power windows, AC, like he's in line here. Nothing too fancy. Because you don't have the electronics, you can maintain it. Anything past 2011 is pretty much a shot in the dark if you can fix it or not. Or if it's just a throwaway car. That's my opinion. Let me know in the comment section. But let's jump into the video because I've been rambling on, what is it, minute 47, 49, 50 seconds? No matter the car you're working on, this is the Mazda that I got that was very affordable. You want to pop your hood. Now, when I say affordable, this is what affordable cars look like. Got oil under it. You know, it's leaves, it and setting. Shocks is bad. I'll tell them what else is bad. And the hood don't hold open on its own. It uses a rod. So, basic function, you know, it functions. It's good. Cheap on insurance too, and it's paid for. You can pick these up. Cars like this, cheap, save you money. Go out, find you $1,000, $1,500 that's in better shape than this, and just drive it. Don't go in debt. Don't pay $60,000 for a car. Even I wouldn't do that. Even if I had money. You know, it's everybody's choice. But how to check your oil, you look for something like this. Sometimes it says oil on it. Sometimes it don't. You pull it up. And that's your oil dipstick. Now you want to wipe this off. I'm trying to do this one-handed here. Without getting it dirty. And if it's black, you need an oil change. Let me just fish this between my legs here. Ugh, old kneecaps don't work like he used to. And then we just wipe this stick off. I'm one-handed here. I got the camera. So, come here, stick. God, dog. It's just out there. Just going every which way. Okay. So now that you got a clean stick, and this engine, you can check it warm. But if you just shut this off, give it 5 or 10 minutes before you check your oil. Because oil have to settle back at the oil pan. So you can see we have nothing on it. We're going to stick it back in the hole. Just straight down. Just like so. Pour it straight back up and have a gander. A gander means look at it. And you can see, bit of focus, that we are full on oil. What about that? Now you can check it again. But usually 1 time is enough, but 2 times if you need it. Let's do the old kneecap trick here again. Put this here. Got more on the car than I did on the napkin. Put it back in the hole. Pour it back up. And you can see, so quit moving. Stick, quit moving. Here we go. That we are on max. The 2 dots. You don't want to go past them 2 dots. You want it all the way at the top of that little dot. So when it says max, it's good. So this is good. But you see how thick that oil is and dirty? Look, this needs an oil change. It probably ain't seen one in 30K, 30,000 miles. You've seen it in previous videos. We're going to check the oil in here. So we got to pop the hood. Like on every car, you gotta pop the hood. Wherever the engine is, that's where the oil is. But here's the oil dipstick, go down to the oil pan. I'm gonna show you how to check this one, because it's a different style of dipstick. And I got somebody hold the camera this time. And you can see This is our oil. We're gonna wipe it off because what's been setting and stuff, oil creeps up sometimes. So stick it back down in there. And we are full. You can see oil is all the way up here. That would be max on this, and the bottom of this line here, you got two little, I don't know if you can see it, two little arrows on that, and you want the oil, you know, directly under the bottom of that top arrow. So this is full. It's good. So now we're here on the LS swap rollback. I'm gonna pop the hood. We check the oil on here. See what we got. Now note the step when doing this. Make sure it's in the level. You see how this is kind of downhill. If I wanted to do this correctly, I want to put it in the level like the other two cars we just checked was. This is the oil dipstick on the LS engine, and it's the same way as it was in the Ford. You can see we're pretty much a little low still. I drove this truck the other day, and this is a fresh engine. So this engine will use oil a lot more than it should when it's cutting in new wings, because this is a brand new engine. You can see we actually are full. See on the dipstick if it'll focus. There you go. And you can see how easy it is to check your own oil and maintain your own car, because oil is the life of the engine. Both of the Mercedes and this truck has got clean oil. The Mazda needs an oil change. Now you're seeing on 3 different vehicles how to check your own oil, and pretty much it's the same on any vehicle, as I said, unless it's super fancy. But the dipsticks might be a little different, but once you understand it, the common sense is all, and you be fine, trust me. Now, on a side note, you've seen the 2 different oils on the napkins. The first car we checked definitely needs changed. It's bad, it's thick, it's dirty, it smells. The other 2 is fresh oil changes. Of course, on the new motor we're running the Rotella 1540. The Mercedes we running that Mobile One European car oil. And then Mazda, I don't know what oil I'm gonna put in it yet, just got it. And you know, they drove some more and never seen maintenance. That's always the best car to buy, ain't it? No, it's not. No. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, like, comment. It helps me. You want to show me a little extra support out? I do got an eBay store. I got some tools in stock. You know, the little wrenches with the shorties and stuff. I ain't got none to show you at the moment, but they are not just such wrenches under my store name. Link below in the description. And subscribe. You know, and notifications. I upload almost every single day. I try my best. And thanks for watching. And thanks for the support again. Appreciate it.